Round 1. Chain 1. Chain 53. We're starting big here, folks. Work 52 single crochets in the second chain from the hook. It's like creating a crochet runway. Round 2. Chain 5, then double crochet. Now, we'll repeat this 16 times, skip 2 stitches, double crochet, chain 2, double crochet. Skip 2 stitches, double crochet to finish. Round 3. Chain 3, double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Repeat this 16 times, skip 2 stitches, 2 double crochets, chain 2, 2 double crochets. Round 4. Chain 3, then work 8 double crochets, slip stitch 16 times. Finish with 13 double crochets in the last stitch. Talk about a grand finale. Round 1. Start with a magic ring. It's like the secret portal to flower paradise. Chain 2. Then work 20 double crochets into the ring slip stitch to join. Round 2. We'll repeat this 5 times, chain 11, then work 2 slip stitches in the second chain from the hook. Two single crochets. Two half double crochets. Three double crochets. Two treble crochets. Skip 3 stitches. Half double crochet, slip stitch. Chain 1. Round 1. Chain 1. Chain 17, then add wire. This'll give our leaf that perfect natural curve. Single crochet in second chain from hook. Two double crochets. Nine treble crochets. Two double crochets. Half double crochet. Three single crochets in next stitch for the leaf tip. Mirror down the other side, half double crochet, two double crochets. treble crochets. Two double crochets. Half double crochet, slip stitch. Round 2. Turn your work. We're adding texture now. Repeat, single crochet, chain 2, 16 times. Single crochet, chain 2. Make a picot. Repeat, chain 2, single crochet, 16 times. Slip stitch to join. Thread stem wire through petal center. Apply small amount of glue to first round, roll into flower shape, secure with glue. Insert stem through flower base, secure with small amount of glue. Start wrapping green thread from base bottom. Add leaves at desired positions. Continue wrapping to stem end, secure with small amount of glue.